There's a lot of uncertainty in the U.S. economy right now. Millions of Americans are struggling to make ends meet. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you some financial resources where you can get up to $20,000. That's right, $20,000 with absolutely no hard credit check. So it doesn't even matter if you have bad credit or if you have excellent credit. Anyone can apply for these types of loans. So we're talking about quick loans, no credit check loans, and these are going to be from credit unions. Anyone can qualify for, and this is cash money that you can get right into your checking account. So first up on the list, we have Arrow Credit Union. So they have a no credit qualifying loan for up to $1,000, maximum terms out to 12 months, and interest rate of 15% APR. So they will report your payments each month to the credit bureaus, gradually helping you establish good credit. And after 12 on-time payments, you'll actually qualify for $500 Arrowhead Visa card. So this is a great opportunity for you to get a $1,000 no credit check loan. Next up on the list, we have MPS Credit Union. So they also have a quick cash loan. So with the quick cash loan, members can qualify for up to $800. Next up on the list, we have Miami Federal Credit Union. So they have a no credit check loan up to $2,000. Now, they do have some specific requirements. You must be a member for at least 90 days, and you must be in good standing, and you will have to provide the last 2 recent pay stubs for proof of income. So a lot of these will require proof of income. Next up on the list, we have Jolt Credit Union. So they have a $1,000 express loan for whatever comes up. And this is a no credit check express loan. So they're not even going to be pulling your credit. So no credit check is needed whatsoever, but you will need a direct deposit, and it does come with a $60 processing fee. Next up on the list, we have Certified Federal Credit Union. So they have a payday loan. This is fast, convenient, and no credit check. So no credit check is required, just proof of employment. Now, the payday loan starts from a minimum of $200 all the way up to $2,000 in terms from 1 month out to 12 months. But again, there's no credit check. Next up on the list, we have ECU Credit Union. So they have a $500 no credit check personal loan designed for individuals who have a short-term loan without their credit report being pulled. So you could borrow $500. The term is going to be 6 months. You must have at least $50 biweekly automatically deposited into your ECU account. So this is one of the requirements, and you must be employed at least 1 year with your current employee. Next up on the list, we have USC Credit Union. So they have 2 different loan products. So they have the Ready Funds, which goes from a minimum of $300 all the way out to $800, and there's no credit check required. And so this has an APR of 19.5%, and it does come with a $10 application fee. You must be a credit union member for at least 3 months, but as it says right here, no credit report required. And they also have what's called a Life Flex loan. So this goes from a minimum of $600 all the way up to $4,000. So between these 2 loans, that's a total of $4,800 from these 2 different loan programs, and neither of them require your credit report, so they will not be pulling your credit. Next up on the list, we have Connect Credit Union. They have a no credit check loan program where you can get pre-qualified for a personal loan up to $1,200. Next up on the list, we have Community Credit Union of Florida. So they have quick cash personal loans. So they have a Q Cash, so you could borrow between $200 and $2,000. There's no application fee, and there's no credit check, as it says right here. And they have a 12-month payback on terms up to $2,000. You must be a CCU member for at least 1 month or more. They also have another program called the Payday Plus, minimum of $1,000 all the way up to $2,500, no application fee. Next up on the list, we have St. Joseph's Federal Credit Union no credit check loan program. So you could borrow up to $1,200, fixed rates of 16% APR, no credit check is required, and no prepayment penalties. Next up on the list, we have Broward Healthcare Federal Credit Union. They have an $800 no credit check loan. So you must be a member for at least 6 months, and it's required that you do have to be employed from the same employer for a minimum of 2 years, verified by a paycheck. Next up on the list, we have Banner Federal Credit Union, payday stretcher loans. So this is going to be from a minimum of $200 up to $500. No credit check is required. Very easy to qualify. And this will help you establish your credit history, and repayments are made through your payroll deduction. Next up on the list, we have All South Cash Please loan. So this is going to be up to $1,500 based on eligibility. You can apply online 24/7 and obtain a decision in minutes. And there's absolutely no hard credit check. So they're not going to be pulling your credit, and you can get up to $1,500. Next up on the list, we have Carolina Cooperative. So they have a no credit check loan, and this is from amounts up to $500, and this will help you build your credit. No credit check is required, but they will report your payment history, so you could also build credit. Next up on the list, we have CopFCU. So they have a no credit check quick loan, and you can borrow between $500 up to $1,500. No credit check is required, and this will help you build your credit score with timely payments. They do come with a $40 application fee and a fixed rate of 12.99%. Next up on the list, we have Pelican State Credit Union. They have a bridge loan for $350. This is a short-term fix between paychecks and no credit check required. Next up on the list, we have Tropical Financial Credit Union. They have a Q Cash no credit check loan. So this is going to be available for current members that have a relationship for 12 months or more. And some of the perks include loan amounts from $500 to $1,000. Now, there's a lot of you guys know DCU has a quick loan, or after 180 days, you could borrow up to $2,000. Last but not least, we have Security Plus Federal Credit Union, where you can borrow up to $1,000 and there's no credit check required. So there you have it. We just covered over a dozen or so different credit unions that offer quick, no credit check loans. And when you add up all the loan amounts, that's over $20,000 that you can get with absolutely no credit check. Now, if anyone is interested, I've dropped links in the description of the video. That's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions down below. And until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.